The Erie steam shovel was an early predecessor of modern excavators, powered by a steam engine to perform heavy digging operations. It played a crucial role in major public works during the 19th and early 20th centuries, including railroad construction and the Panama Canal project. The first steam shovel was invented in 1835 by William Smith Otis, marking a significant milestone in engineering history. Although highly effective for its time, the Erie steam shovel was eventually replaced in the 1930s by diesel, gasoline, and electric-powered excavators, which were simpler, more efficient, and more economical to operate, and main The Lister JP3 engine represents one of the most iconic diesel engines ever built by R.A. Lister and Company. After achieving success with petrol engines, Lister recognized the growing demand for diesel technology. In response, the company partnered with its main competitor, Ruston and Hornsby, to develop a new line of engines. This collaboration led to the creation of the Joint Product, or JP series, first introduced in 1929. Production continued until 1971, with models available in different cylinder configurations. During wartime, these engines powered generating sets that supplied electricity to radar equipment for the armed forces, proving their reliability and strength. The Lister JP3 features the company's patented combustion chamber design, providing a variable compression ratio for easier cold starts. Each cylinder includes a hand wheel that adjusts the compression while running. Built as a monoblock with removable cylinder heads, the engine's lubrication system uses both pump-fed and splash-fed methods. Early models were equipped with oil pressure gauges, and Bosch CAV injection pumps were fitted before World War II. A centrifugal governor controls the engine speed through the fuel injection system. Mounted on a sledge-type chassis, the JP3 includes a front radiator and fan for cooling, while a generator and control panel are positioned at the rear. Often installed on 3-ton two-wheel trailers, the complete generator units could be easily transported, making the Lister JP3 a durable and versatile power source for both military and civilian applications. The Glukhof motor, in Sweden in 1940, is a classic example of a hot bulb engine. Rated at 35 horsepower, it represents an era when robust and simple mechanical designs powered sawmills, boats, and agricultural machinery. The engine operates on heavy fuel oil and uses a unique hot bulb ignition system. Before starting, the bulb at the front of the cylinder must be heated with a blowtorch, as seen in the picture, until it glows red hot. Once hot, the injected fuel ignites automatically from the stored heat, and the engine runs smoothly at a slow but steady pace. With its large flywheels, it provides reliable torque for continuous operation. The Malilla BRB is admired today for its durability, mechanical simplicity, and historical significance, showcasing early 20th century engineering ingenuity and rural power generation. The Glukopf motor Type BR from 1937 is a classic hot bulb engine rated at 16 horsepower. This engine, with manufacturing number 2326, was originally delivered on July 27, 1937. It was first owned by Ole Pettersen from Stromsholm, Jamserum, and is now proudly preserved by Jan Olof Johansson in Hallingeberg. The engine represents the robust Swedish engineering of its era, known for reliability and simplicity. The Glukopf motor operates using a preheated hot bulb to ignite the fuel-air mixture, a hallmark of early diesel-like engines. Today, it stands as a valuable piece of mechanical history displayed in Malilla. This is a Swedish hot bulb engine, Malilla Tankula motor model BRB, built in 1940 with 35 horsepower. The Glukopf motor operates by heating a bulb-shaped chamber before starting. When fuel is injected, it ignites from the retained heat, requiring no electric ignition. These engines were widely used for driving sawmills, pumps, and small boats due to their reliability and simple design. In the photo, the large flywheel transfers power through a belt to nearby machinery. Today, this classic engine is preserved and demonstrated at exhibitions in Sweden, showcasing early 20th century mechanical engineering. a traditional demonstration of stone crushing, powered by a cooler Bulldog tractor, a water-cooled version of the famous Lanz Bulldog. In this setup, the Bulldog serves as the external power source for a vintage stone crusher. A wide, flat belt connects the large flywheel of the tractor to the pulley of the crushing machine, transmitting torque efficiently at low engine speed. When the engine runs, its steady rhythm and strong torque drive the heavy flywheels of the crusher, which crush stones into smaller pieces used for road construction or farm tracks. Such demonstrations are often presented at agricultural and vintage machinery shows in Germany, where enthusiasts recreate how these robust tractors provided mechanical power on farms before the widespread use of electric motors. The cooler Bulldog, with its characteristic single-cylinder hot-bulb diesel engine and distinctive exhaust sound, remains a symbol of durability and mechanical simplicity from the early industrial farming era. The Industrie 2 VD5 is a robust, two-cylinder vertical diesel engine manufactured by Industrie Motorenfabrik, a Dutch company renowned for producing heavy-duty stationary and marine engines throughout the mid-20th century. Designed for reliability, endurance, and easy maintenance, the 2 VD5 represents the engineering excellence that characterized European industrial machinery after World War II. It was primarily used in small ships, harbor vessels, power plants, and pumping stations, where continuous operation and torque stability were essential. This engine features two large vertical cylinders, water cooling, and direct fuel injection. Each cylinder has its own injector pump, ensuring balanced combustion and smooth operation. The massive flywheel attached to the crankshaft helps stabilize rotational speed and store kinetic energy, providing steady operation even under varying load conditions. With a displacement of approximately 20 liters and an output ranging from 50 to 70 horsepower at moderate speeds, the 2 VD5 was designed not for high speed, but for long life and exceptional reliability. One of the most distinctive aspects of the Industrie engines, including the 2 VD5, is their mechanical simplicity and visible engineering. The exposed push rods, rocker arms, and lubricating lines allow the operator to easily inspect, maintain, and adjust the engine during operation. This design philosophy reflects an era when engines were built to be serviceable and durable, rather than compact or automated. Many of these engines were hand-started using compressed air or an auxiliary motor, and their rhythmic exhaust sound remains a hallmark of classic diesel technology. The Industrie 2 VD5 was often mounted on a heavy steel frame, equipped with large water and fuel connections, and sometimes coupled directly to marine propeller shafts or generators. Its construction emphasizes precision machining and cast iron strength. The engine block and cylinder heads are made from high-quality materials designed to resist thermal stress and corrosion, making it ideal for harsh marine environments. Maintenance involved regular checking of injector timing, valve clearances, lubrication, and cooling water flow, all of which could be done manually by experienced engineers. The Ferrari 250 GTO is equipped with the legendary Tipo 168/60 Colombo V12 engine, a masterpiece of Italian engineering. This 3.0-liter power unit delivers around 300 horsepower at 500 revolutions per minute, and 294 meters of torque at 500 revolutions per minute, enabling exceptional performance on both road and track. Featuring a 60 crans V12 cylinder configuration and a single overhead camshaft valve train with 2 valves per cylinder, the engine achieves smooth power delivery and high revving capability. Its 6 Weber 38 DCN carburetors ensure precise fuel-air mixture, maximizing efficiency and responsiveness. Designed as a highly tuned racing engine, it gave the 250 GTO its remarkable speed, balance, and sound, making it one of the most iconic power plants in automotive history. The Colombo V12 remains a symbol of Ferrari's racing heritage and engineering excellence. The top Fuel Dragster team during an NHRA event performing a throttle whack in the pit area. The crew is working on a supercharged 500 cubic inch V8 engine that runs on nitromethane fuel, capable of producing over 11,000 horsepower. The powerful Goodyear Eagle tires and lightweight chassis are built to handle extreme acceleration, reaching over 500 kilometers per hour in less than 4 seconds. The throttle whack test allows mechanics to check the engine's response, fuel delivery, and ignition timing, while creating the thunderous roar that defines NHRA top fuel racing excitement. The 55 PS Isle Bulldog, owned by Peter Nolte, is a classic Lanz tractor, proudly displayed at the Brockstedt Festival during Ascension Day 2024. This powerful machine, rated at 55 horsepower, represents the peak of German engineering and agricultural machinery from the mid-20th century. Renowned for its robust single-cylinder hot bulb engine and distinctive sound, the Isle Bulldog was designed for both fieldwork and transport, offering high reliability and endurance. Its elegant restoration and excellent condition highlight the dedication of its owner and the enduring legacy of the Lanz Bulldog series in Europe's farming history. The 1925 GMC CC K725-ton truck is a remarkable example of early 20th century American truck engineering. Manufactured by the General Motors Company, this model represents the rugged durability and craftsmanship of the 1920s. The truck features a distinctive open C-cab design, providing easy access for the driver and showcasing the utilitarian styling of its era. Its wooden cargo bed reflects the construction techniques of the time, combining practicality with a timeless vintage charm. The red painted wheels contrast beautifully with the green body, giving the vehicle a bold and eye-catching appearance. Despite being nearly a century old, this 5-ton truck has been carefully restored to working condition, preserving both its mechanical authenticity and historical value. The 1925 GMC CC K72 stands as a tribute to the beginnings of heavy-duty transportation, symbolizing the strength and reliability that would define GMC trucks for generations to come. It remains a cherished classic among collectors and enthusiasts of vintage commercial vehicles. The Minneapolis steam traction engine was a powerful and reliable steam-powered tractor produced by the Minneapolis Threshing Machine Company, founded in 1889. Designed for demanding agricultural work such as plowing and threshing, these engines became essential on many farms during the steam era. Known for their strength, durability, and innovative engineering, they showcased the company's dedication to quality and performance. Among the most notable models was the 1899-22 HP Return Flue Tandem Compound Engine, which earned awards for its advanced design. These machines remain admired examples of early American agricultural technology and industrial craftsmanship.